You're trying to heal your liver, but nothing is changing. There's one thing you're doing that's blocking all your progress. Let me show you what it is and how fast your liver can recover once you stop it. Today's Biohack Thursday is for anyone trying to heal their liver, reverse insulin resistance, or get their metabolism working again. And I want to tell you something very hopeful up front. Your liver is one of the fastest healing organs in the human body, but only if you stop blocking the process. If you watched my Fix Your Liver video, you already know that the liver controls far more than people think. Blood sugar stability, fat burning, inflammation, hormones, and even your cravings. And when the liver is inflamed or fatty, everything becomes harder. Losing weight, keeping your energy up, controlling hunger, and stabilizing your blood sugar. Fatty liver is really just early insulin resistance happening inside the liver itself. So when the liver gets healthier, everything else follows. But here's the truth people miss. Liver can heal quickly, and it can be derailed just as quickly. A full week of low-carb eating can be undone with 1 or 2 days of seed oils, sugar, and alcohol. Your body isn't betraying you. It's doing exactly what it's programmed to do when toxins come in. Alcohol always takes metabolic priority. Seed oils drive oxidative stress and inflammation, and fructose sends fat straight into the liver. These don't just slow healing, they reverse it in hours, not weeks. So how do you know your liver is actually improving? The early signs are quiet but powerful. You start waking up with steadier energy because the liver is finally releasing glucose smoothly instead of in frantic bursts. Your cravings begin to calm down. That's better insulin sensitivity showing up in real life. Your waistline gets looser even if the scale hasn't moved. Liver fat is often the first fat your body burns on low carb. Your blood pressure begins trending down because inflammation is cooling and your blood vessels are relaxing. And your fasting glucose starts improving, slow at first, then consistently. These are not dramatic fireworks. They're gentle, hopeful nudges that your metabolism is coming back online, and you only see them when you stop blocking the healing. If you're dealing with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, I'm just going to say NAFLD, or we'll be here all day, metabolic syndrome, stubborn belly fat, or unpredictable blood sugar, this hack is really one of the most powerful resets you can do. And if you want the deeper science, what NAFLD actually is, how it progresses, and how fast it can reverse, I'm preparing a completely updated long-form fatty liver video. Think of today's spoonful as the trailer. If you want the deeper science behind NAFLD and insulin resistance, that long-form video is coming soon. But right now, go watch Fix the Liver next, because once you understand that organ, everything else finally makes sense.